So hey guys, welcome you all back to Hospitality Tech, and in this video I am going to tell you about French. So basically in this video I am going to cover a very basic and a little important topics that we are going to have in our exams about French. So I'm just starting with some greetings like bonjour, bonne nuit, bonsoir, in which bonjour means hello or good morning, bonne nuit means good night, and bonsoir means good evening. One more phrase is used, that is bon après-midi, which is for good afternoon, but we rarely use this. So now let's start with our next topic, which is days of the week. In English, we literally say it weeks, or in French, we say it les jours de la semaine. So starting with Sunday, which means dimanche in French. The second is Monday, which is lundi. The third is Tuesday, which is mardi. Wednesday, which is mercredi. Thursday, which is jeudi. Friday, which is vendredi. Then Saturday, which means samedi. Guys, the orange part is the correct spelling and the second part is for pronunciation. So don't mix them and write them correctly. Now let's start with our next topic, which is the month of the year, and in French we call them le mois de l'année. January, which is janvier, February, which is février, March, which is mars, April, which is avril, May, which is May, June, which is juin, July, which is juillet, August, which is O, September, which is septembre, October, which is octobre, November, which is novembre, and December, which is décembre. So here the first one is written in French, then the second one is just for pronunciation, and the third one is in English. So now the next topic is fruits and vegetables, and we call fruits in French as les fruits. So starting with the first one, la pomme, which means the apple, l'avocat for avocado, la banane for banana, la cerise for cherry, la pamplemousse for grapefruit, la citron for lemon, la mangue for mango, la pêche for peach, la poire for pear, la prune for plum. Amongst these, we have some more fruits and vegetables, which is orange for orange, date for dates, papaye for papaya, raisin for grapes, and melon for melon. These are some very basic fruits that we use in daily life and in French also. Now, our next topic is the vegetables. So we call vegetables in French is les légumes. Starting with the first one, une tomate for tomato, une carotte for carrot, a broccoli for broccoli, a oignon for onion, une courgette for the zucchini, une pomme de terre for tomato, une aubergine for brinjal, un poivron for capsicum, un concombre for cucumber, a radis for radish, des petits pois for peas, a chou-fleur for cauliflower. Amongst these we have some more like épinards for spinach, gingembre for ginger, laitue for lettuce, and chou for cabbage. These are some very basic vegetables that we use in our daily life, and in French we call them these. Now our next topic is the countries and their nationalities. In French we call them le pays and nationalité en français. That means countries and nationalities in French. So the first one is the countries, and then we have their nationalities in masculine and feminine. So starting with the first one, La France, which is the France, and the nationality is Français and Française. Then the second one is Le Royaume-Uni, which is the United Kingdom, and the nationality is Anglais and Anglaise. The third is L'Espagne, which is the Spain, and the nationality is Espanol and Espanol. The fourth is La Belgique, which is the Belgium, and the nationality is Belge and Belge. The next is Les États-Unis, which is the United States, and the nationality is American and American. Then is La Chine, which is China, Chinois and Chinoise. La Canada, which is the Canada, Canadien and Canadian. Then next is La Mexique, which is Mexico, and the nationality is Mexican and Mexican. Next is L'Australie, and the nationality is Australian and Australian. The next is La Russie, which is the Russia, and the nationality is Rus and Rus. Next is La Japon, which means the Japan, and the nationality is Japonais and Japanese. Next is l'Italy, and the country is Italy. The nationality is Italia and Italian. The next is l'Allemagne, which is the Germany, and the nationality is Allemande and Allemande. The next is l'Argentine, and the country is Argentina. The nationality is Argent and Argentine. The next is La Brazil, which is the Brazil, and the nationality is Brasilia and Brazilian. Next is La Suisse, which is the Switzerland, and the nationality is Swiss and Swiss. Next is La Maroc, and the country name is Morocco. The nationality is Moroccan and Moroccan. Next is La Portugal, which is the Portuguese, and the nationality is Portuguese and Portuguese. So I hope this is enough for today, and this is the last phrase that I am using, that is au revoir et merci, which means goodbye and thank you. I hope this will help you out, and in the next video I will talk about the French conjugation of the verbs, and we will discuss about their present conjugation. So this is all for today. Thank you so much.